Who can be at this time? Hey, Sania, you!
Appa, I just came to drop Sanya. She'll stay with you for a few hours.
Of course, thank you.
All right, see you.
Let's go sit down, Sania. Okay, Zaara. I brought us some tea and snacks. Thank you. I'm so glad we have this time together. Me too. Your support means everything. Always. What's wrong, Appa? You look worried. Nothing, Sania. Hey, Zaara, we are sisters. You should tell me what happened. I'm jobless. Because I don't understand AI, my confidence has completely dropped. Sania, this is AI era. In our school and college days, there was no AI, no such technology. I know computers I tried to learn, but everything has changed so fast. AI is everywhere now. I watch YouTube tutorials every day, but nothing feels clear. I don't have money to pay huge course fees, and I feel left behind. There's no need to worry. Look at this. This is the post from the Kutiana Memon Association. It was posted by Haji Usman Pardesi. Free online AI and ChatGPT course for beginners. Zaara, you should get registered. Hey! Yo, Ray! Let me get registered. For the first time in a long while. I felt I could stand up and run with the world again, not remain behind anymore. Zaara, Api, it seems your Bhaijan came to take me home.
Goodbye, Zara. See you later.
Goodbye, Zaara. See you later. Take cares. Time to learn. Keep pushing forward. Almost done with this module. I did it!
Zara, please come forward.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations on your outstanding grades.
Alhamdulillah, my first YouTube video is here to launch. My channel is monetized and inshallah, I will sooner be able to earn big. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Allah Pak. Thank you for all the blessings. Thank you all teachers. Thank you Haji Usman Pardesi Sahab. And a very heartfelt thanks to my sister Sania. I will continue learning more and I will teach others whatever I have learned. I will spread the knowledge among others.